Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 measures of lines and angles in that intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means if two lines if two separate lines have a common point, two separate lines have a common pointer, they are called intersecting lines. Okay, for example, this is one line and this is another line, so these two lines have a common point, so then these two lines are called what? Intersecting lines, because of they have a common point. Okay, like that only you see here, this is a line L, okay, and this is line M, line L and line M. These two separate lines having a common point, that is P. Okay, the two lines line M and line L intersect at P. So then these two lines are called the intersecting lines. So we can say that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. They are formed a how many angles, Nana? 4. If two lines are intersected at a point, they are formed a 4 angles. Okay, now clearly angle 1 is equals to angle 3, angle 2 is equals to angle 4. You try to see here these two angles, angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Because of these two angles are vertically opposite angles, ante ఎదురుగా ఉన్నాయి. Okay, angle 1 is equals to angle 3, and like that only angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4. These two angles are what, Nana? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, now next one, perpendicular line. Next one is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means if two lines intersect each other at a right angle. If two lines intersect each other at a right angle, they are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Now see, for example, this is line L, okay, and this is line M. Line L, line M. These two lines are intersect at O. These two lines, line L and line M, these two lines are intersect O. Angle LOM measures what, Nana? 90 degrees. Okay, if two lines intersect each other at a right angle, okay, they are called perpendicular lines. Okay, now we can say like this also. Here these two lines also what, Nana? These two lines also perpendicular lines. Okay, students. So next one is parallel lines. Parallel lines means if two lines on a plane do not intersect. Okay, if two lines on a plane do not intersect each other, then they are called parallel lines. Okay, for example, this is one line and this is also other line. These two lines do not have any common point because of these two are not intersected. Okay, now these two lines are not met. Okay, only like this. So then we call this type of lines are called what? Parallel lines, because of they do not have any common point. ఆ రెండింటికి మధ్యలో ఎనీ కామన్ పాయింట్ లేదు. సో see like this line, this is line L and line M. Okay, these two are lines. These two lines have any common point? ఇవి రెండు ఎక్కడైనా టచ్ అయ్యాయా ఇలా? No. So we can say that these two are parallel lines. So we can write like this: L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Okay, next we can draw like this also. Okay, P Q, the two lines P and Q, these two lines have any common point? No. So that's why we can say these two also parallel lines. So P is parallel to Q. Okay, students. So now see, railway tracks. They do not intersect each other. Okay. So that is the general example. Now see one example now. Okay, students. Now see exercise 5.3, third question. ABCD is a rectangle. Here AC and BD, these two are what? Diagonals. ABCD is a rectangle. AC BD, the AC and BD, these two are what? Diagonals. Okay, now see in this how many intersecting lines are there, how many parallel lines are there, how many perpendicular lines are there. See, first of all, parallel lines.
Two.
Parallel lines. We know parallel lines means the two lines do not have any common point. For example, you see CD is a line and AB also line. These two lines have any common point. So we can write like this: AB is parallel to DC. Next, like that only, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. అంటే ఈ two lines parallel lines, ఈ two lines also parallel lines. Next, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, you see clearly, they form a right angle. Here also form a right angle. Here also form a right angle. Here also form a right angle. Now, DA is perpendicular to AB, like this. DA is perpendicular. This perpendicular symbol amma. DA is perpendicular to AB. Like that only, AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC because of here also form a right angle. Next, BC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, BC is perpendicular to AB, and CD is perpendicular to DA. So we can write like that. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, what Nana? Clearly the diagonals AC, BD, AC and BD. These two are what Nana? Intersecting lines. Okay, so we can say like this, in any figure, how many parallel lines are there, how many perpendicular lines are there, how many intersecting lines are there. Okay, you to take some other figures and you to find out what are the parallel, what is intersecting, what are perpendicular. Thank you, students.